Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how to create video from any website link using AI tools. I will also show you how to create free text to video without software. So let's get started. First of all, you just open any of your internet browsing apps that have available on your Windows operating system. Now go to search box and type Lumen 5. Please enter when finished typing. You can see a bunch of results, so you click lumen5.com. You click on the sign up option. Creating account is very easy. Just click on create account option with name, email and password, which you can do very easily. I have already created the account, so I am logging into the account. Now click on the new video option. Then choose a template. Now follow my instructions to create the video. For example, I am copying the link of Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com will automatically collect text from the website and create videos with that text. You can create text video with your website link or your favorite website link. Now follow my instructions to create the video. You can change the music, style, icon and font as you like. Now click on the publish option. So scroll down and click on download option. The download is complete. Now we will watching the video. Finally, you can easily create a video by just copying and pasting a website link. I will introduce you to many more such AI tools. I am very happy if you subscribe my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, please feel free to contact me. Please comment, I will try to give correct answer. Thanks for watching this video.